Hello and welcome to CreateLoveShare. I have an unboxing for you today. I was approached by a company called NewCraftDay, and they asked me if I'd like to unbox a few of their products on my channel, and I said, well, no worries, I'll have a look at your website. So their website has, they've got diamond paintings, paint by numbers, cross stitch, and they've got quite a large selection. So I said, yep, cool. I can do that, no worries. So I've chosen a couple of diamond paintings and they've just come in this morning, so let's get stuck into it and have a look at, see what they look like. So it's come in your standard plastic bag. I'm just going to give her a rough cut. Oop. So we've got one, a small one, and a bigger one. Pop it over there. So they both come in these plastic bubble wrap sleeves. So we'll start off with the little one first. Where's my scissors? There. All right, standard plastic sleeve. Get stuck in and have a look. Okay, so one diamond painting. Nothing left in there. Okay, so it comes in your clear dust cover. Alright. So I'm just going to, there's my drills. So you've got your diamond painting, you've got your drills, and you've got your standard tool kit. That's your drill tray, wax, single placer pen, and some Ziploc bags. Standard toolkit. And let's have a look at our diamond painting. So this is a nice little mandala that I chose. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to roll her back. It says poured glue, so you can do that. I'm just going to do this so I can sit a bit flatter. There you go. So there you go, a sun and moon mandala. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. And I don't have one quite like that. So I thought, bonus, I want to get that one. And I love the colors as well. So this is a 30 by 30. It is a partial special drill. It has 12 colors in it. And I was having a look. So down the bottom there, they give you your diamond painting instructions, etc., and your thumbnail. So I'll bring it up so you can have a look at the thumbnail. I thought that was gorgeous. It was actually hard to choose because I had it down to about 3 or 4 mandalas, and I like this one. So anyway, we will zoom in and have a closer look at that drill field. Here we go. So just having a look there. I don't think there's any issues. Just having a look, they look pretty clear. I like that background, how they printed those little stars. That looks pretty good. And your symbol key over here. 12 colors, so it looks like you got some rhinestones, a teardrop, and a couple of marquees. And I don't think there's any issue there with reading those symbols. That's so pretty. Love that. That's so gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, so I will zoom you back out again. Oh, out. There we go. So I'll flip her over and we'll have a look at those drills. So we've got your drills. GT024. GT024. Just double checking. Hang on, he's just not going to sit flat. Okay, so got your drills in your standard strips. There we go. Okay, so you got some lovely your crystal rhinestone. Got the beautiful blue, isn't it gorgeous? And I like that one too. That's really pretty. That sort of aqua color, absolutely gorgeous. Looking at the backs of these drills, and they're looking pretty good. Green, an orangey color, a yellow, pink. That's pretty pink. Got some black ABs. We got some pearl large rounds. And some teardrops. And metallic gold marquees. They're pretty cool. And on the end you've got some yellow marquees. So I can't actually see any scratching just on that face value. It looked pretty good. Yeah, 12 colors, beautiful. That's my sun and moon. How pretty is that? And I'll do a sticky test. Wow, that's sticky, alright. So that will actually relax now that it's out of its bag. So I'm not too worried about that crinkling. So on to the next one. So I've got this one. So he's in a double bag. Hang on a minute. Okay. There we go. We'll get rid of those drills. So you've got your diamond painting, again in a clear dust cover, and you've got some drills. Ooh. And you have a different toolkit. Okay, so this one's got some metal tweezers. They're actually pretty good. They're quite sturdy. Double lot of wax and a cushion grip, single placer and a multi-placer on the end, and a spouted tray. So that's pretty cool. Got some drills. Got your diamond paint. Okay, so again, the first thing I'm noticing is how really clear that is to see. That is just fabulous. There's just clarity. And this particular canvas is actually a lot softer. It's really nice, actually. Oh, let me get him up the right way. So this one, I don't know if you can see it properly. So this is a blue lotus flower. It is a full square drill. It is a 40 by 40. It has 35 colors. Awesome. Oh my, oh gosh, I love that. I'll show you the thumbnail. How pretty is that? I just loved it. So full square drill. So I will try and roll him back on top of him. Again, poured glue. Oh, that canvas is so soft. Wow. No, that didn't do any good. Alright, that's okay. So I'll zoom you in and we'll have a look. In we go. Okay, so have a look at that drill field. So we've got symbols, we have letters, and we have numbers. Yeah, look, I'm not seeing too much of an issue there. Got a lot of darks going on there. Bring over this side. So that's looking pretty good. I can see a couple of symbols that might give me a little bit of trouble. I will be using a light pad, so I don't think that's too much of an issue, but I'll just come up and have a look up in this top right hand corner. So you've got a lot of dark going on. You've got some H's and you've got some O's. I don't have a problem with that. I don't have a problem with those ones. I think they're going to be okay. I love this image. And it's printed on this canvas so nicely. Really pretty. It's got 2 symbol keys. I'll bring you down to one of them. There's one on each side. So you have your numerical order, your DMCs, and your symbols, and also the quantity, which is kind of nice. So that's looking all right. Let's see if I can get her up. That looks pretty good. So I'm just thinking there's one symbol that I'm not too sure about. Okay, so you've got number 34R. Whoa. 34R. And you've got 9 is B. I think they're a bit close. And A. A is not too bad. So as long as they're kind of apart, I can see, yeah, top right hand corner, where's my finger? So you've got some B's and you've got some A's. Look, I can see them from here and I don't even have my glasses on. So I don't think that's going to be an issue. And I will also be using a white pad, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. We'll find out when I do it. I'll just, I need a bigger table. So they look pretty good. And a full square drill, that's going to be awesome. Zooming it back out again. That just looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. How beautiful is that? Right, we'll flip her over and we'll have a look at those drills. So it's got on this little sticker here the code of the diamond painting, 40 by 40. Right, so these ones come in Ziploc bags, which I absolutely love it when they do this. And on each Ziploc bag, it has the numerical order and your DMC color and how many are in there. So you've got some beautiful reds, pretty blue, purple, gorgeous blues, pretty purple, pink, blue. So let's have a closer look at those drills. So they look alright. Not too bad. Right. Blues, pinks, blues. So I will obviously count all these and make sure they're all there. Pretty colors. Gorgeous colors. That's color 154, so that's a main one in the background. Pinks, oranges, blues. Oh, it's going to look so beautiful. And I did buy a frame for this one, so I'm hoping to put it up with my next to my other Lotus that I got from Diamond Dots, and I've just finished. Making my room very zen. That's 939, another background color. Some soft beige and some pink. Pink and blue. So they look really good actually. Cool. Alright, let's get them all out of the way. Okay. So there you go. That is the blue Lotus. Oh gosh, I just love this. That is going to look absolutely beautiful, and in square as well. You're just going to have that beautiful shading and definition, and it's just going to look gorgeous. So blue Lotus and my mandala. So those are the two diamond paintings that I got from NewCraftDay. Go check out their website. They've got quite a lot to choose from. It took me ages actually to choose what I wanted. I did choose this one first up. But yeah, I just trying to narrow it down was a bit difficult. So check out their website. They got lots and lots on there. Very good to deal with. They had this stuff out right away. Really good communication. So I'm very happy so far with this company. So I will, a little bit further on down the track, do these and do a video for them as a works in progress, right through to the review, so you can see how these guys turned out and what I thought of them. So my Sun and Moon Mandala, my Blue Lotus full square drill. Woohoo! Keep your eyes peeled for those videos further on down the track. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.